In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a drop-down list on your Microsoft Excel product. So let's say we want to create a drop-down for the year column here. So we have a bunch of different names of people, and we want to do the year they were accepted. So instead of just typing in every single individual year, this tutorial is going to show you guys how to create a drop-down menu for you. So it should be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I would personally suggest start by opening up a new sheet. So I'm just going to go to this blank sheet right here, and I'm going to just type out all the items I want to be in the drop-down menu. So let me just say quickly here, let me just do a few. So I'm going to put a few years in here. And now that once you've done that, you want to go ahead and highlight over all the items that we have created here. So let's say years. In my case, you could do quarters or months, whatever you really want. And I'm going to just highlight over all of them. And then I'm going to right click on anywhere inside of the selection and then left click on define name. Now that you're in define name, you want to go ahead and change the name right up here. So I'm going to say year, and then I'm going to left click on OK. Again, you guys can name it whatever you want, doesn't really matter too much. And now you want to right click on it again, left click on define name. And now I'm going to go back to my first tab that when I actually put the drop down in. Now you want to left click on the data tab and then left click on data validation. So you want to set your allow in here. You want to click on the drop down and you want to set it to list, and then the source you want to set it equal to whatever you called the other source before. So I'm going to call it year, exactly how it was before, or exactly what you named the other one. And then left click on OK. Now once you've done that, you should have a drop down in here. So pretty nifty little feature here. You just select whatever is in here, and that's pretty much it. So now if you want to make it for all of them, you just drag down the first one and you'll have the drop down menu option for all. So I hope this was pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.